Tower, Big Stripe 203, inbound visual 19 right.
Stripe 203, Las Vegas Tower for traffic, change to runway 19 left, runway 19 left, clear to land. Wind 090 at 7, gust 16.
Clear to land, 19 left, Big Stripe 203.
15, runway 19 right, line up and wait, traffic downfield.
Runway 19 right, channel 15.
Got a 3446, Alpha 5, cross run 26 right, then taxi Bravo, Charlie 6, call the ramp.
26 right, cross at Alpha 5, taxi Bravo, Charlie 6 to the ramp, SCO is 3446.
So 2795, Alpha 6, cross run 26 right, call ground point 1.
Alright, cross 26 right, Alpha 6, ground point 1, so 2795.
Wingspan 9er, turn left heading 190.
Left turn 190, wingspan 9.
Plus 3958, cross runway 26 right at Alpha 5, and then go to ground point 1, they may have some traffic.
Clear cross at Alpha 5 and ground, southwest 3958.
Korean Air 005 Heavy, right turn here, Alpha 7, cross runway 26 right and ground on point 1.
Right, Alpha 7, cross 26 right and ground point 1, Korean Air 005 Heavy.
Wingspan 9er, contact departure 1259er, see ya.
259, wingspan 9, we'll see you.
Clear for takeoff 19 right, channel 15.
Las Vegas ground, Korean Air 005 Heavy on Alpha 7, crossing 26 right.
5 Heavy, taxi via Charlie.
Taxi via Charlie, Korean Air 005 Heavy.
Southwest 2004 behind the company, 26 right via Charlie, Sierra current.
26 right via Charlie after company, southwest 2004, we got Sierra.
.2795, pass behind company on the right. 2711, ready to go.